Okay, so I just unboxed this thing and took all the bolts out, and I'm inspecting it, and I'm a little worried because look at that. What is going on down there? It looks crazy. And there's like all this carbon all over the place. These look pretty good, I think. A couple other concerns that I have. So if you look here, you see all those like little chunks missing? Well, that bolt has a washer on it, but it's basically just kind of wearing away at the carbon, and it's not even been mounted to a bike yet. And then here you have this piece fits into here, but if you look, part of it's broken off. See, it's not completely round. This one looks all right, but it's still really thin. And it makes me wonder if that's why the other one that I had cracked. So then you go here. This side looks pretty good. It looks like they just kind of like lay the carbon up, however, and then they sand it into shape, which I don't think is a great idea, but okay, so these are more mounting points. This has not been on a bicycle. I literally just took it out of the packaging. Look at this. That's damage to the carbon. There's voids. See that void right there? And I think this one's the worst. Oh yeah, look deep down in there. That is bad. I'm a little irritated. This was like 50 bucks. And I could have just got a zip stem for that. Oh yeah, look at that. That's void. That's like the worst place to have a void too, right? Where the bolt is connecting your bars. I'm not gonna put this on. It's just gonna crack again. And I might not be so lucky.